Equinix. Give us an example of a program you'd like to highlight.
Yeah, I would like to highlight a program called a solution called Analytics Anywhere, or AI Anywhere, we call it.
Okay.
Essentially, what we are finding in the whole space of AI increasingly is that one single organization doesn't have all the data that it needs. So you have to share data with other partners, both within the organization and external agencies. So more and more organizations are afraid to give their raw data away to someone else because it can be used for unauthorized purposes. So we are seeing the area of federated AI. So essentially what happens in federated AI is that you take your model building algorithm to where the data is residing, and you just get the model weights, and then you send the model weights to a central location to create a global model. So this helps with both reducing the amount of data you're sending to a central cloud or central location, and also from a privacy standpoint, data never leaves your four walls, okay? So you're just processing the data for AI in your own location. So the area of federated AI is something, it's very important I would like to highlight. And the second key area of this solution that I would like to highlight is that this is a marketplace for AI. So it's not just for sharing data between organizations, but organizations can also share their AI models. And what we are finding increasingly is that most organizations don't build their AI models from scratch. They go get data from somewhere else. They get existing models from somewhere else for transfer learning. Mm-hmm. So lineage of where this data is coming from, where this model is coming from is extremely critical. You really need to know, because the models can be biased, and because someone who has used different type of data to train, or even maliciously has trained using malicious data to make the model behave in a different way. So the lineage information is very important. And this Analytics Anywhere solution, we actually keep track of that lineage information, both where the data is coming from, where the model is coming from, and we let the consumers and providers actually transact in this AI marketplace.
Origins.
So different agencies can actually now share data in a very systematic, way. And blockchain is the underlying technology which is driving all that. Yeah.